out of hope. Vienna, 15th of June 2018. I'm stuck. I'm trying to get into my work, but I cannot. I don't know if I forgot the password. The password is not working. It's one of the two. She's not presentable, she says, the princess.
I'm horrible today.
You are such a princess. Anyway, let's try and see if I can get to my account.
Basta, Miki.
Thomas is waiting for me. Don't touch the chicken with your hands.
Why?
Because it's dirty, you're gonna get some illnesses.
How do you cut your head?
Ask Manos.
Ok, Michele, cut. Stasera per 2 persone alle 8. Alessandra. Ok, grazie mille. Ciao.
La mia bimba, che brava. That's true. Have to get. Yes, baby. You have to earn your pizza, okay? 6 o'clock? Yeah. We'll make it in 1 hour. Happy as fuck? Happy as fuck. Getting ready for pizza.
Don't look ahead, that's coming right back. Another roadblock in the way. Never going come together.
We are on the right way. We are supposed to go to James' party, Nicola's boyfriend. And yeah.
You just stumbled.
Yes, I cannot do. I'm not multitask, you know that. Got some martini, fancy stuff, and yeah, let's see. Pacho. You're such a princess. Princess is getting ready, as always. Second day in Vienna. No big plans for today. Actually, no, we have big plans. See you later. Something special. We are late.
Baby, basta.
We are late. We are late. We are late. Maybe we are late.
Hands are tied, head ever stay. All beside our dreams to carry us. And if they don't fly, we will run. Now we push right past to find out how to win one thing I've lost. Oh, oh, we know now we won't war. Oh, oh, how life's worth fighting for. Oh, oh, we know now we won't war. Oh, oh, how life's worth fighting for. So let them say we can do better. Lay out the rules that we can break. They wanna sit and watch it with her. The legacy's still hard to take. All beside our dreams to carry us. And if they don't fly, we will run. Now we push right past to find out how to win one thing I've lost. Oh, oh, we know now we won't war. Oh, oh, how
the same counter.
Are you meant to be together with this car? Michele, basta.
Okay. Gay pride. Gay pride. Done.
Can you please stop?
I need to stretch. And now
Chill.
chill.
We also have to go to that.
Eating merenda. It's time for merenda.
Michele, are you ready for
16.
16?
But there is water.
No, Michele, just look in the beginning.
I know, 7. Separate tables is possible. Yeah.
It's a video.
Okay.
Start eating.
Will you say something intelligent?
People can see your nipples.
Let's go.
First thing.
No. Let's run away.
You are in a civilized country. You work in a civilized country. Why do you still have these things?
Baby, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
So the problem is that I forced her to take the backpack because we needed some water with us. I ruined completely her style. Look, now she's changed. Baby, you're ridiculous. Baby, I think it's good with that. Why not?
Look, Michele. I look like a fucking...
I'm dying. Quick fix. Yes, baby, you're beautiful. These are women, I think, I don't know. I guess. And this is the princess, most probably. Good.
Michele, I can see what you are doing.
Thanks God we can go out. Destination Schönbrunn. Okay, we arrived. I think we can start with a couple of slow-mo in Schönbrunn. I think they're pretty cool. We'll see how it looks like.
Somebody saw you around. This town is tiny like that. Oh, you look just the same, except the look on your face, like you're still so far away. We'll sit apart, we'll make those smiles like that. I'm not full of card
fame. Hopla. Fun?
Yes.
Let's go. Time to leave the city. Forever. No, not forever, maybe. But for a long time. It was nice.
On Wednesday.
Soon, yeah. It was nice. Bye bye, Vienna.